I am here again with the most incredible car. Look at it! This is the Tachyon RAESR. And I'm about to take this baby down Rodeo Drive in LA. Like one of the busiest tourist spots in Los Angeles. I'm here with the founder, Eric. And it's so nice to see you. Yes. So if you guys haven't seen our previous video, go check it out. The link's in the description underneath this video, where we were just chatting about like how you came to develop your own hypercar, which is crazy. So go check out that video and get like the background to this car, because today it's going to be just about like surprising tourists with one of the craziest looking cars in the world, and they 100% have not seen this car before. There's only one.
It is a spaceship on the street. It will definitely raise some eyebrows.
Yeah. So we're gonna take it just around. So we've just hidden it like in this leafy area just around the corner from Rodeo Drive. Rodeo Drive is literally there, isn't it? Yep. So one street over. And I'm a bit nervous because the idea is that I am literally taking out this incredible car shopping. Like, who would, like, you wouldn't, but I do. So
plenty of luggage space.
Yeah, plenty of luggage space. Yeah. Is there any space? Actually, there isn't at the moment, right?
We got the back seat. We do have a little boot behind underneath.
True.
In some very unusual places. All
right. So if I get too much shopping, we'll just chuck it in the back seat. So this car is actually a double-seater. Here is where the driver sits, right in the middle of the car. And then behind here, look, if you could peek in through this window, there's actually a second seat. Passenger sits behind you. And so what happens is this whole canopy at the back opens separately. So you've got this first canopy that opens, and then this one for the passenger.
Call it a double clamshell.
Double clamshell?
Yep. It'll be about like...
Okay.
Is it, what's in here?
Trying to fit my handbag. That's fine. Yeah. Okay, we've worked out a space for the bag. Crisis averted. I can bring my handbag with me shopping on Rodeo Drive. It's gonna fit right here next to me. Okay. Oh, it's these little practicalities, you know? And what about a cup holder? So if I get a coffee, where's that gonna go?
A cup holder underneath this, but we could switch sides with this, and we could throw the cup.
There's
a cup holder right here. Yes.
Oh,
carbon fiber cup holder.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
Thought of everything. Okay, so for me this is kind of like a nerve-wracking experience, because Rodeo Drive is super busy, and just like trying to find a park in any car is a nightmare.
Yeah.
Trying to find a park in the Batmobile, almost impossible.
Good thing is everybody will see you.
Yeah, they'll move out of my way.
Yep. It is electric, so they won't hear you, but they will see you.
Yeah. So it is. Yeah. So it's fully electric, you guys. The like standard power that you would get from one of these is 1500 horsepower, and then depending how much more you want, these guys can work it out for you and just keep going up and up and up and up from that level, right?
Depending on how crazy you wanted to go. Sure.
How many dollars you're gonna splash? Yeah.
You could put lean on top of the seat. It's a good spot.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the, and then I would try to get that knee on the other side of the steering wheel column.
Who knew I'd be doing gymnastics?
If you step on the seat, it's so much easier. But thank you.
There you go.
That is the
there you go.
Expert way.
Oh, it's so cozy. Okay.
And then this puppy reached through here.
It's given me a hug, this car. Okay, yeah. And then we got to attach the wheel, right? Because you can't get in and out of the car with the wheel on. It'll be fine.
Yeah. You can even get it.
It'll be fine.
Yeah. It'll be good.
No, it's all good. How do you drive this matrix of a vehicle? Like, look at all these buttons. I can't remember. I drove this car 5 months ago. I'm trying to get refreshed with how this thing all works.
First, we're going to raise the ride height up for the street.
Yes.
Chris is going to do that.
Okay.
Right here on this right button box.
Yep. Just raising the front of the car.
We're good for the street now.
We're going to close the canopy. I'm just going to press this button right here. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, this is mad. Wow. If there's ever a moment that you would feel like Batman, this is it. So you can see really clearly out the back actually, that's really good. And then you've got the miles per hour over here, and you've got, oh, the battery charge on this side. What have we got? 69%, okay, that'll do us. So with full battery charge, it can go about 250 miles with a single charge. This is a prototype, you guys, so there's only one of these cars in the world. It's taken them years to get to this point, to develop this car, and they're gonna start producing it now. So the orders are literally going in. Oh, I've got a walkie-talkie, that's always good. Okay, all right.
Supercar Blondie. Supercar Blondie. All right.
Yep.
I've been doing this for 2.5 years. I've been driving the most incredible cars around the world, and this is the one that has drawn the most attention. How mad. Oh man, wherever you go, just people everywhere, crazy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a quick like. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do it. Hit that subscribe button. This is where you get to see the craziest cars in the world. I say that every time, but I don't disappoint, right? Love you guys so much. By the way, if you're thinking to yourself like, oh, we didn't get all the technical details on the car, like the range and the technology and how it all works, please go and check out my other video on this car that I've already done. I've spoken to the owners. That link is in the description below this video. All right, guys, love you so much. I'm out. Bye.